G'day, car enthusiasts! The Honda CR-V is back and it's better than ever. This compact SUV has been a fan favorite for years, and the 2024 model continues that legacy. Why is the CR-V so popular? Well, it's got everything you could want in a family car: style, space, reliability, and a price tag that won't break the bank. But enough with the introductions. Let's dive into what makes the 2024 CR-V a true champion. First impressions matter, and the 2024 CR-V makes a statement. Honda has given this SUV a sleek and modern redesign. It's got sharp lines, a bold grille, and a sporty stance. You can choose from multiple trims to match your style, including the X, XL, and the fuel-sipping Sport Touring Hybrid. And don't forget about those LED headlights. They not only look fantastic, but also provide excellent visibility at night. Plus, the X trim comes standard with a panoramic moonroof. Talk about letting the sunshine in. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's just as impressive as the exterior. The 2024 CR-V offers a spacious and comfortable interior, designed with high-quality materials and attention to detail. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, providing both comfort and style. Whether you're driving to work or heading out on a weekend adventure, you'll appreciate the luxurious feel. The advanced infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained on the go. With a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, you can easily access your favorite apps, music, and navigation. The dual-zone automatic climate control ensures that everyone stays comfortable, no matter the weather outside. You can set different temperatures for the driver and front passenger, so everyone can enjoy the ride. Need to carry a lot of gear? The 2024 CR-V has you covered with its versatile cargo space. The rear seats can be easily folded down to create a flat load floor, giving you plenty of room for all your belongings. Whether you're packing for a family vacation or just running errands around town, you'll appreciate the ample storage space and thoughtful design. But the 2024 CR-V isn't just about looks and comfort. It's also a joy to drive. With responsive handling and a smooth ride, this SUV is perfect for both city streets and winding country roads. The available hybrid powertrain offers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. You'll enjoy a powerful yet eco-friendly driving experience. Safety is a top priority for Honda, and the 2024 CR-V is packed with advanced safety features. From collision warning to lane keeping assist, you can drive with confidence knowing that you and your passengers are protected. The 2024 Honda CR-V truly offers a complete package. With its stylish design, comfortable interior, advanced technology, and impressive performance, it's no wonder this SUV turns heads wherever it goes. Experience the 2024 Honda CR-V for yourself and see why it's the perfect choice for your next vehicle. Visit your local Honda dealership today and take a test drive. You won't be disappointed. Discover the style, performance, and innovation that make the 2024 Honda CR-V a standout in its class. It's time to elevate your driving experience. The 2024 Honda CR-V, a style that truly turns heads. Step inside the 2024 CR-V, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and comfortable cabin. There's plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Even your tallest mates won't be complaining about cramped quarters. The rear seats can be folded down in a 60-40 split, giving you loads of cargo space for all your gear. Whether you're hauling camping equipment, groceries, or luggage for a family holiday, the CR-V can handle it. Under the bonnet, the 2024 CR-V offers two engine options: a zippy 1.5-liter VTEC turbo and a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter eHEV hybrid. These engines are designed to cater to different driving preferences and needs, ensuring that there's a perfect match for every driver. The turbocharged engine delivers a punchy 190 horsepower, providing a thrilling driving experience with quick acceleration and responsive handling. It's perfect for those who crave a bit of excitement on their daily commute or weekend adventures. On the other hand, the hybrid model offers a combined 204 horsepower, seamlessly blending power and efficiency. This model is ideal for eco-conscious drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on performance. But here's the kicker: the CR-V doesn't sacrifice fuel economy for power. Both engine options are engineered to deliver impressive fuel efficiency, making the CR-V a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers. The petrol models achieve an impressive 30 miles per gallon combined, which means you can enjoy longer drives without constantly worrying about refueling. This efficiency is perfect for those who have long commutes or love taking road trips. Meanwhile, the hybrid models can get up to 40 miles per gallon combined. This exceptional fuel economy not only helps you save money on fuel but also contributes to a greener environment by reducing emissions. That means fewer trips to the servo and more money in your pocket. Imagine the convenience of driving longer distances without the frequent need to stop for fuel. It's not just about saving money, it's about the freedom to go further and explore more without the constant interruption of refueling stops. Whether you're planning a family road trip, a weekend getaway, or just your daily commute, the 2024 Honda CR-V ensures that you do it with style, power, and efficiency. The combination of advanced engineering and thoughtful design makes it a standout choice in the SUV market. Inside, the CR-V offers a comfortable and tech-savvy environment with features that enhance your driving experience. From the intuitive infotainment system to the spacious seating, every detail is crafted to provide maximum comfort and convenience. The 2024 Honda CR-V is not just about power and efficiency, it's about versatility and reliability. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or exploring off the beaten path, the CR-V is equipped to handle it all with ease. Safety is also a top priority in the CR-V, with a suite of advanced safety features designed to keep you and your passengers protected. From lane keeping assist to adaptive cruise control, the CR-V is packed with technology that provides peace of mind on every journey. For those who choose the hybrid model, the convenience of hybrid technology means you can enjoy the benefits of both electric and petrol power. This flexibility allows you to drive more efficiently and reduce your environmental impact. The 2024 Honda CR-V is a testament to Honda's commitment to innovation and excellence. With its blend of power, efficiency, and advanced features, it's a vehicle that meets the demands of modern drivers while paving the way for a more sustainable future. So, whether you're looking for a reliable family SUV, a fuel-efficient commuter, or an adventurous road trip companion, the 2024 Honda CR-V has you covered. Experience the perfect balance of power and efficiency, and discover why the CR-V continues to be a favorite among drivers worldwide. The 2024 Honda CR-V, where power meets efficiency, and every journey becomes an adventure. Section 5. Safety first, always. Honda takes safety seriously, and the 2024 CR-V is packed with advanced safety features. Standard features on the EX and above trims include a blind spot information system, cross-traffic monitor, and automated emergency braking. The XL trim adds even more safety tech, like low-speed braking control, which can help prevent low-speed collisions. With all these safety features, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that you and your passengers are well protected. Section 6. Stay connected on the road. The 2024 CR-V keeps you connected and entertained on the go. All models come standard with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You can easily connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps, music, and navigation. If you want even more tech goodies, the XL trim offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And for the ultimate audio experience, the Sport Touring Hybrid trim boasts a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system. Section 7. CR-V versus Escape, a clear winner. Now you might be thinking, how does the CR-V stack up against the competition? It's a question many potential buyers have when they step into a dealership or browse online reviews. The compact SUV market is fiercely competitive, and both the Honda CR-V and the Ford Escape have their loyal fan bases. But when it comes down to the nitty-gritty details, which one truly stands out? Well, let's compare it to the 2024 Ford Escape. The Escape has been a popular choice for many years, known for its stylish design and robust performance. It's a vehicle that promises a lot on paper, but how does it fare in real-world conditions? On paper, the Escape might seem like a worthy adversary. It boasts a range of features that appeal to modern drivers, from advanced safety systems to a variety of engine options. The spec sheet is impressive, no doubt about it, but numbers and features only tell part of the story. But in the real world, the CR-V comes out on top. When you take these vehicles out of the showroom and onto the streets, the differences become more apparent. The CR-V's performance, comfort, and reliability shine through, making it a more compelling choice for everyday driving. The CR-V offers better fuel economy, which is a significant factor for many buyers. With rising fuel prices and growing environmental concerns, a vehicle that can go further on a tank of gas is a big plus. The CR-V's efficient engine ensures you spend less time and money at the pump, a more spacious and comfortable interior, and a smoother ride. The CR-V's cabin is designed with the passenger in mind, offering ample legroom and headroom, as well as high-quality materials that enhance the overall driving experience. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a long road trip, the CR-V ensures you and your passengers travel in comfort. Plus, Honda's reputation for reliability is legendary. When you invest in a Honda, you're not just buying a car, you're buying peace of mind. Honda vehicles are known for their durability and longevity, often running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. This reliability translates to lower maintenance costs and a higher resale value. While the Escape might have a slightly more powerful engine option, power isn't everything. The Escape's engine might deliver a bit more horsepower, but it doesn't necessarily translate to a better driving experience. Factors like handling, ride quality, and overall balance play a crucial role in how a vehicle performs on the road. It can't match the CR-V's overall package. The CR-V excels in areas that matter most to drivers: fuel efficiency, comfort, reliability, and overall driving experience. It's a vehicle that meets the needs of a wide range of drivers, from families to solo adventurers. In the end, when you weigh all the factors, the Honda CR-V emerges as the clear winner in this comparison. Section 8. The verdict. So, there you have it. The 2024 Honda CR-V is a fantastic compact SUV that excels in all the right areas. It's stylish, spacious, fuel-efficient, safe, and packed with technology. Whether you're a family on the go, a daily commuter, or just someone who appreciates a well-rounded vehicle, the CR-V deserves a spot on your short list. Honda has truly outdone themselves with this one. It's no wonder the CR-V is a perennial favorite among Aussie drivers. Section 9. Your next adventure awaits. Ready to experience the 2024 Honda CR-V for yourself? Head down to your local Honda dealer and take one for a spin. You won't be disappointed. Trust me, this is one SUV that lives up to the hype. Happy driving.